Hi, my name is Zahra and this is my partner.
Hani Barnia, and we're seniors from Global Academy International.
And for the past year, we've been doing research about green buildings and their effect on the environment in Qatar. We've tried to raise awareness in Global Academy and turn it into a green building. However, we faced some difficulties. So instead of continuing with our original plan, we are instead informing the students and educating them about what green buildings are. And the first thing we did was hand out a survey.
So basically, the survey was sent out to make sure to inform students about green buildings and to see whether they know about it or not, see whether they're interested in green buildings. And turns out most of them do not know what green buildings are, and some are on the edge of whether they're with green buildings or not. So then we sent out a brochure.
Yes, and that is why we sent out a brochure explaining what green buildings are. Any school who is interested in becoming an eco-school can follow 7 steps of the eco-school program. In the brochure, we also mentioned a few fun facts to get the students excited about green buildings and sustainability, as well as students and teacher scopes to have an idea about the thing in general. And then we sent out a second survey to see what the students think.
Now, the second survey, we got a lot of good results from it. Good results because we sent out the brochure explaining and what Zahra said. So we got really good results, and many students now know about green buildings and their effectiveness and their impact on the environment. And many of them are interested in doing the 7 steps and are motivated.
Then we interviewed a few students at Global Academy to see their opinions firsthand.
Do you know what green buildings are? Do you support them? And do you think they're important?
Do you know if Qatar has any eco-schools here? Do you think GAI could achieve becoming the second eco-school in Qatar?
Hello, my name is Walid. I'm 17 and I'm helps us take care of our environment around. I know Daha College is an eco-friendly school. Anything is possible, but it'll be hard because we need Global Academy International has to commit. We just have to work really hard. I mean, you have to start with them young. So all the kids from like preschool to secondary school, they have to start and start recycling, reusing.
I'm a senior in Global, and my age is 17. Since they support the community, so why not? Yeah, we could raise awareness with these students and make groups to support
I'm a senior
the
at Global Academy and I'm 16 I've heard a lot about them, but I don't exactly know what they are. If they help the environment, I fully support them, yes. If we raise enough awareness and we are able to convince first of all students, we can make groups, I guess, talk to them. Teachers can help too. Activities.
My name is Aline. I'm a senior. I'm 17 years old. They're eco-friendly buildings. Because they don't really produce waste, and they're helpful. They keep the environment healthy and clean.
Hello, my name is Yusuf Atta. I'm 17 years old. I'm a senior in Global Academy. Yes, I've heard of them once. I've also taken a few surveys about the brochure that I've heard of from my friends. Yeah, I do support them because they're good for the environment and they keep the environment around. I've heard that there's one around in Qatar, but I don't know much about it. It's a possibility if we work hard and try our best on doing so. I'd say save some electricity and not use much water.
My name is Mohammed Ansari at Global Academy International. Yes, 17 years old, like power efficient solar panels. They could.
Hello, my name is Wahira Azildin. I am 17 years old and maybe we can put recycling bins instead of waste bins.
Hello, my name is Samira Saati. I'm 16 years old and I'm an 11th grader. Yes, I do. I saw your brochure and I took the survey. The garbage have less waste and have recycling.
Hello, my name is Noor. I'm 18 years old. Yes, we would provide the best support. We could try to get some leaderships from other higher requirements and other better people who has standards.
Okay, my name is Samar Massar and I am the high school supervisor. You know what? I think we should do it. Everybody should do it here in Qatar. This is actually, in my point of view, you know, if they don't get it the first time, eventually they will get it. At least I believe if we can put like some kind of bins outside.
Now we're here at Qatar Green Building Council to interview Ms. Roa Hannawi about more information regarding green buildings, sustainability, and the Eco School program.
We're working on raising awareness at school. We're here at Qatar Green Building Council with the architect Roba Hannawi.
We have some questions for Ms. Roba. Okay. So the first question is, when someone hears eco-friendly, what should we be considering?
A checklist of under certain categories that we are complying with. It's different. Has in the manufacturing, in the sourcing of the material, manufacturing, marketing, and so on, it has less negative impact on the environment. So this means from the extraction, we did not use
how effective are green buildings in Qatar?
They have less negative impact on the environment. As I mentioned to you before, either it is designed and constructed and built up to a certain rate, so in general, which means that it is less depleting on natural resources, less negative impact, less consumption of water, saves energy, better health for occupants and users of the building. So this is in general from the operation side. If I do design my building and build it up to a very high sustainability standards, this means that I should also maintain and operate my buildings. We have here in Qatar and follow the same sustainability standards, right? They have a lot of certified. So we have the same as a certification. Like the whole city, we have the education city, we have Msharib downtown.
So in a way, you're saying that it is affecting Qatar's environment and.
Yes, hopefully because Qatar is very scarce in some of the more sustainable materials, so eco-friendly materials, and so on.
Do you consider the city of Doha to be human-friendly, and why?
It is not just related to the number of green buildings that the city has. It has a wider perspective, or it should include more elements into connectivity is also important, because this means that I can from my house or from my neighborhood go to any other place walking, for instance, and I have the right route for my safety and so on. So this will mean another thing is that like the compact, like the dense urban areas, which has multi functions, a lot of hospitals, pharmacies, schools, grocery shops, bakeries, health centers, all within a certain distance.
Most of the stadiums are actually sustainable and live up to a legacy. Well, we wanted to ask you what makes the stadium.
They are following high sustainability standards, and in order to get certified both in the design and construction, and later on the
Doha College is currently probably the only eco school in Qatar. But are there more schools participating? That there is, Lessen City opening very soon, which is supposedly the first green building environment in the world, the biggest one. So we're thinking,
well, if it started, this means that it is doable and can be applied and something can be achieved. We also have in downtown, as we mentioned, we have also Msharib. It's also one of the largest. And it gives you an idea.
In 10 years or more, all schools in Qatar would be?
Yes, hopefully they will. Because it is the right thing to do. So it is not like a burden on the school. It is part of the pedagogy, it's part of the curriculum, it's part of the teaching methods. It is not a burden on teachers nor on students. It's just part of the education system of the school. So it can be easily implemented.